You read the title thinking, Sharatia, what the heck? Did you say that you were going to wear these plaits for 3 months? Did you say that you were going to wash your hair every 2 weeks? Did you say that you're going to redo the plaits every 4 to 5 weeks? And did you say that you're going to drink more water? That's exactly what I said, but let me explain. You see there's a mic in my hand, right? Why there ain't no sound coming from it is baffling me. I don't know what the heck happened, but you know what? We can roll with it. Today is day 30 of me having these plaits. I've had these plaits in my head for 30 days and they were good. More than good, actually. They were amazingly convenient, but I'm going to be taking them out today. Normally I use conditioner, but today I'm going to be using my DIY Insane Hair Growth Oil. And I'll talk about that later on in the video, why I decided to use my oil versus a conditioner like I normally do. I'm adding a full droplet of oil into the palms of my hands. I'm warming it up. I'm rubbing my palms together and I'm rubbing them on the ends of my hair. This allows for an easier takedown process. We love easy. Easy is where it's at. Rubbing them down the ends of my hair all the way up to my roots, but not too much on the roots, you know, just rubbing a little bit. I'm doing it on both sides. So I'll work on one side first and then I'll go to the other side doing the same thing, moving up the shaft of my braids and then rubbing just a little bit on the roots of my hair. And then I let it sit for about 5 minutes to let it do its thing. The tools I'll be using for my takedown are a rat tail comb for easier access to the ends of my plaits and a tangle teaser to remove any shed hair after I've detangled. Now I already knew this was going to be an easy takedown process because I did take out one of my plaits already to measure my hair from my monthly length check. And as I was taking down the plait, it was super easy, super fast. And this is because my hair is technically still stretched from the time I initially stretched it to install my plaits. I did not wash my hair the entire month. And because my hair wasn't washed, it wasn't fully drenched in water. Water reverts the hair back to its natural texture. I didn't shampoo, I didn't deep condition, no Nathaniel. So thus my hair is still stretched, which also gets me to thinking like, should I even wash my plaits anymore? Like if this is how it's going to be as far as my takedown, normally it takes me 12 to 15 minutes to take down one plait. This only took me less than 3 minutes per plait. Well, I did hydrate my hair. I sprayed a mixture of water, tea tree oil, and rosemary oil on my scalp and a little on my plaits to keep it from drying out. When I shampoo my plaits weekly, after a month, my hair is frizzy and slightly matted. Conditioner with slip helps to break it down, but seeing as though my hair isn't in need of that, I'm using my oil. Back to why I haven't shampooed or did anything to my hair. Y'all, when I say this month has been busy, I have been booked and busy. Busy. Just a busy bee. Time just passed on by and next thing you know, it's a month. I could easily, you know, just shampoo my plaits to redo each plait, but honestly, given the fact that I haven't washed my hair the entire month, I don't think it's wise. I have mad dandruff. They are angry. My scalp is angry. And because I have also been oiling my ends a lot, like quite frequently, there is mad oil. And because it's been a month, surely there's like dust and dirt and just like build up on my plaits and in between the crevices of my plait. And y'all, honestly, I don't like the way these plaits look. I know I've been like raving about the way they look so good. And you know, just like the more I watch my videos, the more I look at myself in the mirror, the more I'm like, I don't like how it turned out. I appreciate the love in the comments on my video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the love, you know? However, I don't like it. You know, they say we're our own worst critic, but the fact of the matter is I could do better. I could do better. I have done better, so I'm going to do better this time around. So yeah, this video is just about me taking down my plaits, showing you my shed hair, how long it took me to do each section, and then after I'm done taking out my plaits, I'm going to wash my hair. Not today. I think I'm going to wash it tomorrow. And then the day after that, I'll do a trim because today is a new moon. It is recommended not to trim your hair on a new moon, especially if your goal is length and hair growth. And I think it's, you know, a great opportunity to show you how I prep my hair for a protective style anyways. I did show you in one of my week in my hair videos, but I think it might be best if I did a dedicated video showing you how I prep my hair for a protective style. So I'll be doing that next. So stay tuned for that as well. Y'all, it's Vlogmas, guys. So I have a lot of videos coming. Let me know if you've been enjoying Vlogmas so far. Comment down below. Let's do this. But that's all I have to say. I'll let you guys continue watching me take down these plaits and I'll show you towards the end all of the shed hair and how long it took me to get this done. So yeah, I'll let you guys continue watching.